What's up, guys? Hit the subscribe button. Anyways, welcome back to Pro versus Am. Today, we have Nick. So today, Nick is going to provide some kind of challenge for me. We're gonna bowl a one-game match. We're gonna see who comes out on top. Right now, I'm 0-1. I lost to Brian last time, so I'm looking to even the score against the amateurs. What are we doing?
I'm a lefty. You're gonna go lefty.
For those of you that don't know me, I'm not left-handed. But for those of you that also don't know me, my lefty's pretty good. Bring it on. You wanna go first or second?
You go first.
All right, finally. Here we go. Opposite hand. You made a mistake, Nick! Never mind! This is gonna be like a workout for my left arm. I don't normally throw my own equipment. Usually throw a house ball, like a 12-pounder. Let's see how long this lasts. Don't chop it! Don't chop it! I'm bowling more than 128 this time. It might be 129, but it's gonna be more than 128. I think they're trying to get into my head by throwing urethane. He's just nervous. First time on the channel. First time not just in the comment section. Gotta push. Oh, you're done. It's over. I'm already at 129. You see here, 500 grit would help that one peel off the gutter. He'd have a double right now. You want to hit your ball at 500? I think I might have one. Gotta help my man out, you know? Crispy. You need some help there? I got you. Just to be clear, you have to surface the entire ball. I think he just feels bad for me losing the last game. Here you go. Oh, hook! The gutter's like a magnet. We got a big lead. All right. Ah! You guys thought it was going in, right? I thought it was going in too. Nick, this ball's too heavy for me.
Get stronger, bro.
If you throw a double, you might be able to get back in the match. Now, I've been told, if you don't strike within 3 frames, the ball's out. I don't know if he's listening, but. Oh, it's got a curve a little bit. Come on, Nick, come on.
Come on.
You guys ready for this, the big wheel? I invented the wheel. You gotta give me props, guys. That was pretty cool. I think that has to shim a little bit. I haven't quite mastered the two-handed or the one-handed lefty spare shot. Kind of tricky. I hope this strikes. Oh man, Nick needs to make some big-time adjustments. We're not bowling on a house shot, by the way, so for those of you at home, you're like, oh my God, these guys are terrible. I'm terrible. I'm not bowling the way I normally bowl. But they're not super easy. Blame the guy that oiled the lanes. I'm just kidding, don't do that. I have faith, you got this. In the bags. Oh baby, wheel. You might want to hit that one with 500 too. All right, the big wheel looks pretty good. Ah! I can hit both sides of the pocket and still get 9. All right, do we turn it up? Can we shoot spares? We made 1. 9's a hard one. Spares are very important, guys. Strikes for show, spares for dough. Good thing we're not bowling for money right now. Guys, let me know in the comments if you think Nick's gonna break 100. Bro, they don't hook from there. Oh baby, look at that, first spare of the game. I think that strikes if you do that on the first shot. Alrighty, we got a 29 pin lead. That's still no gimme. We got 66. If we can pick up a spare, man. Oh no, he's in my head. I'm making a ball change. Bowling's not that easy, guys. You take a professional out of their element, just like everybody else. Or maybe that's just me. Maybe I just suck. Or maybe not! Okay, maybe I just suck. Come on, put a mark up on the board. Let's make this exciting. Here he goes with an adjustment. Do we think he's gonna strike? Oh, that game works dead zone. That tried. All right, taking odds on spares right here. 12 to 1, 12 to 1. Anybody taking 12 to 1? I don't know if the odds are too high or too low there. I think those are good odds. 12 to 1.
Take the over.
He's taking the over, he's taking the 12. He's putting 100 down. 12 to 1 for 1,200. I never accepted it. Maybe I should have. I would have made $100. This match is still within reach for him, even though he hasn't picked up a spare yet. I don't know if this match is going to be exciting at all. They're hard. There's a lot of shim towards the gutters and there's a lot of hook in the middle. What do you want from us? Don, I think we need a new pattern. Left side spin. Dude, they hook so much in the middle. Oh, bang, hook. Oh, baby, first spare of the game. Guys, gotta love it. Guys, do we make this closer? Do we make this a match? He's got to finish the game. They can't all be blowouts. But at the same time, I need this first win. I'm going for it. Every time I think it's good, it's just not it. Going to Flavor Town. If you know, you know. Nobody here knows about Flavor Town. I hope somebody from the college days is watching. Oh my God! Just throw it straight. I'm used to bowling left-handed with a house ball that doesn't weigh 15 pounds. Oh man, I need to fill 40 the next 2 frames to beat my first game. You won't run this one out. I think this is just gonna be a compilation video of fails. Let's go out with a bang. Come on, get this spare. You're within 6 if you get the spare. Oh man, he might get it. So close! So close!
Maybe I should change the scores in the video to a low ball game. Then it'll be more exciting.
Do what you gotta do. Need to rethink my life choices. Oh, that's got a chance, baby! Hook a lot! I clearly have no idea what's going on the lanes. I'm just a lost puppy. I'm lost, I'm hungry, and I need a double to tie my first score. Imagine, I'm better with a house ball than my own bowling ball. Left-handed. And Nick just keeps throwing gutter balls. That was basically a gutter. Anyway, I'm just gonna take a seat here and accept this free dub. What do we need to happen here for you to win? You need a spare, I need to not double, and you need a double. Oh, that looks pretty good to me. Oh, he's clutch. Actually, he's got a chance in the match still. Nice. Oh, that's got a chance. I'm gonna end you right here. What do we need here? We need a double and five? Double and 5? Guys, I'm a closer. You know why I can never win on TV? Because I get blown out. Matches are never close. If they're close, I win them all. Ow! If you ever feel pain in your hand, go to your local pro shop. Go to your pro shop guy and say, fix me! I need a ball that's fitted to me left-handed. My hand is cramping, it's awful. No more left-handed bowling. I feel like my hand is going to explode. All right, Nick, the door's open. You need to double in 6. You guys thought this wasn't gonna be exciting. It got real exciting. And he needs a back door. Imagine if he struck there though. Wait, now we're on 100 watch. He needs the spare. 9 would have got him 100, but now he needs the spare. I'm nervous for you. Can he do it? And are you gonna celebrate like Tom Doherty if you shoot 100? Ooh, he's throwing the pitch black. I hope you're throwing this dead at the head pin. Oh, that's got a chance. It's like a textbook. Oh, he wraps this right around the 10. He doesn't shoot 100. Oh my goodness. I got a dub, guys. I'm 1-1 now in the Pro versus Am challenge, and I know you're still saying out there, man, this guy's terrible. I can beat him. Come find me. You can't beat me. Brian can beat me. You can't beat me.